How to remove phone number in Snapchat. So if you want to remove phone number in Snapchat, then first of all you can open up your Snapchat application, and after opening your Snapchat, now you can go for your profile, which is on the upper left, and then you can go for settings, which is on the upper right, and here you will have your phone number option, right? Simply tap on that phone number, and here you need to remove this phone number, and then you can add another phone number. And now tap on verify, and here Snapchat will send you a verification code to your mobile number, and that code will be of 6 digits, so you need to enter that code here to complete the verification. And after entering the code, for some security reasons you need to enter your password, and after entering your password, tap on continue, and that's it. After entering your password, your mobile number has been updated. So that's it. That's how you change your phone number. But if you want to remove the phone number, if you don't want to have any phone number, if you don't want to keep any phone number to your Snapchat, then what you can do is you can simply go back, and then you can go for settings and log out of your account. And after logging out, now you can simply go for sign up and then continue, and here allow, and here you need to enter your name, and when it will ask you for your phone number, then you need to enter the phone number which you would like to remove from your current account. So after entering that phone number and after creating an account using that phone number, your phone number from your previous account will automatically be removed. So that's the only way to remove your phone number from your Snapchat account, and besides that we don't have any other option to remove phone number. So just simply create an account with the phone number that you want to remove, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.